so this is part 3 for Access Chapter 2, Bavant Publishing 2. And so we can go ahead and close out this report. And then we need our rep-customer query open. And we're going to go back to design view with that. And under the amount paid, we're going to add amount paid from the customer table. And on criteria, greater than 20,000. There. And we're going to close this. And no, we're not going to save it. Okay, we are ready to create another query. So create query design. And this time we want our customer table. And we want customer number. Customer number, customer name, amount paid, and current due. And so what we want to do next is right click on the field row here next to our blank one and click zoom, and what we're going to do is type in a formula here. So total with a capital T, then amount with a capital A, colon, then a square bracket, amount with a capital A, paid with a capital P, square bracket, plus, square bracket, current with a capital C, due with a capital D, and square bracket. And you can go ahead and say OK. And then run. And so you should now see another field, total amount, and it has totals over here. So you should look just like that. And then we want to change our viewable. Okay, so we're in the amount paid field, and then you want to make sure that your property sheet is up, and we're going to change the caption to paid, and we can go ahead and close out the property sheet. Click on current due, and property sheet again. And change this caption to due. And run the query. And so it should look like that. And then we need to do a file, save as, save object as, save as, and call this ch2 q10. Close to click totals up here in our design tab. And so now where it says group by, we are going to change that to average. And then we want to run the query. And our average for amount paid should be $21,239.52. And we need to go back to design view and add in book rep number. And then for group by clear, we want to change that to where and type 42 as the criteria, and then run that. And so now it's just telling us the average of book rep number 42, so that should be $15,287.23. We're going to do a file, save as, save object as, save as, and call this CH2Q11. And go back to design view. And clear out our data here. So what I did was click at the top where I get the down arrow and highlight it and press delete. And we want our book rep number. And we want our amount paid. And under amount paid for total, so we're going to click on group by, change that to average. And run. And so we should have our 3 different book reps and their average amount. And so do a file, save as, save object as, save as again, and call it CH2Q12. Create what's known as a crosstab query. So click create, and then we want query wizard, and choose crosstab query, and say OK. And we want the customer table, and then say next. And then click on state and add that. Say next. And now say book rep number. So you can see our state's going down here on the side, book rep number across the top. And say next. And come and click on returns, and then choose sum. And say next. And I'm going to change the name. We're going to call this state dash rep crosstab. And say finish. And so you should see we have our state, the amount of returns, and then we also have that broken down by each book rep. And that is the end of this assignment. So if you go ahead and make sure that you have saved all the queries, it doesn't hurt to save the database one more time, and then you can go to your Google Drive and turn it into your assignments folder.